Hiring more employees doesn't always seem like the greatest idea. Doing so can be expensive and more of a headache, no matter the industry you're in. One way around this is to hire contractors. And while this is an excellent way to save money, it won't get you out of doing taxes for them. In this case, you need to file a 1099. However, if you don't know the process, then stay tuned. But before we get into the 1099 process, let's review what this form is. What is a 1099 miscellaneous? The 1099 form is used to document miscellaneous income. You'll send this out to any independent contractors who did business with you in the last year. It is the equivalent of a W-2 form, but for outsourced work. You've got until January 31st to get these forms in order and sent out. Not meeting this deadline will cost anywhere from $30 to $100 a form. Step 1, check your information. Make sure you have the current name, address, and social security numbers on file for your independent contractors. This information should have been collected via W-9 form. If you don't have this information on file, the IRS will allow you to withhold 28% of the person's or company's pay. So, are there any exceptions to 1099s? Yes, there are. Anyone who received less than $600 in payments from you is excluded. Personal payments and transactions are also excluded. Step 2. Grab your forms. You can't download 1099 forms. You have to either order them from the IRS or pick them up at an office supply store. Also, some accounting softwares offer them, which can save you a ton of money in the long run. Step 3. Fill out the forms. There are 3 portions to this form. Send copy A to the IRS, copy B goes to the independent contractors, and copy C is yours to keep for your records. Start with your information. This could be your social security number if you're a sole proprietor, or an employer identification number for the majority of other businesses. Work your way down, filing out your information and then the information of the contractor who worked for you. Enter all of the money paid to the person or business and any withholdings as well. A lot of this will be done for you if you're using an accounting software. Step 4. Mailing out. After completing and mailing all of the 1099 forms, the next step is mailing a 1096 to the IRS. This is the form that summarizes the total amounts spent on all of your independent contractors. You have until the last day of February to get this done. You must send this form along with copies of all the 1099s. This task is a headache, there's no doubt about it. However, it's a requirement, and you need to get together with your accountant ahead of time to work out the details so they can help you make the process as painless as possible. They aren't the only ones who can assist. Refer to our Form 1099 generator to automate your accounting and pay stub needs. Check it out today at thepaystubs.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.